Mars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, may another unboxing na naman tayo na gaganapin. And as you can see, we have here the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So we purchased this one online. Yung pre-order niya, and I'm not sure if until when. Ang kagandahan nito, we expect na darating to by May pa. Kasi nga parang 30 days pa or 1 month pa before siyang ma-i-deliver dito sa amin. And luckily, siguro may stock sila kaya nakapag-ship sila agad-agad. So, parang 21 ata kami nag-order. I'm not sure. Parang April 21st kami nag-order and dumating siya ngayon. So, ang bilis lang ng shipment nila. So, check na natin ito mga Mariko and buksan na natin siya. So, nung inopen namin to, we make sure namin na nagbe-video din kami para din may assurance kami if by any chance na may problem yung unit. So, ganun din ang gagawin nyo if nag-order kayo na online para alam nyo kaagad. So, we have here pouch. Ito yung pouch niya. So, the pouch is new compared to the old one. Kasi yung old one na pouch niya is medyo para siyang bulky and the texture is different also. This one is, meron na siyang foam. I'm not sure if may foam din yun, but this one is different from the old pouch. Okay. Hindi pala. Ito pala yung kanyang portable carrying pouch. So, this is the new na nilagay nila or inad nila na inclusion sa ating Pocket 4. Ito kasi yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kala ko kasi ano siya. So, may pouch tayo dyan. Extra pouch. And then, this is the carrying bag naman. So, yun yung pouch natin. So, open na natin siya. So, sa loob, of course, we have the strap. Ayan. And then, we also have the wind guard. Okay. And then, this is the microphone. So, bago na yung microphone niya compare sa old microphone natin. So, this is the Pocket 3 microphone. And then, this is the Pocket 4 microphone. So, this one is cuter than the old Pocket 3. And then, of course, we have here the mini tripod, which is hindi ko nagagamit. And then, we also have, what is this? Oh, so this is the ring light or the fill light that they're actually talking about. So, let me just check it first. Okay, so may button siya dyan. Okay. And then, we have here, what's this? Another wind guard. Oh, that's why, windscreen. So, meron tayong dalawang windscreen. And then, this is, ano to? Okay. So, ito yung ating handle for the Osmo Pocket 3, yung maliit niya. So, ayan. And then, Type-C charging cord. And then, ito, medyo naitiriga ako dito sa kanyang MagSafe charging cable. So, I want to try this. And then, we have magnet and what's this? What's the other one? We have magnet clip. Oh, magnet clip. May magnet clip tayo and magnet. Okay. That's it. Oh, meron pa dito. So, this one is the wide angle lens. So, ito na yung ating unit. So, medyo na-intriga ako dito kasi nga, nung nakita ko sa mga ibang vlog na meron na silang Pocket 4, meron na kasi silang, si Pocket 4 kasi is meron ng filter or effect. Kaya, tapos meron pa siyang gesture. So, yun yung mga gustong-gusto ko dito. Wala na siyang button. So, how will you open it? Wala na siyang button. So, how will you open this? So, this one is, what's this? What is this? Ayan, tatanggalin lang to. Ayan lang siya, mga Mariko. And wala na siyang open. Ayan, oh. Wala na dito, nandito na. So, explore pa natin ng more itong ating Osmo Pocket 4. So, as you can see, nilagay ko na po yung kanyang handle dito. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanya na mini extender. And, yun lang, nakakalungkot dahil wala lang mismo yung power bank dun sa Pocket 3 natin, which is ito. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, if by any chance na meron kayong Pocket 3, this one is still compatible with your Pocket 4. So, pwede nyo pa rin siyang gamitin with your Pocket 4, with your Osmo Pocket 4. And, so, set up lang natin to. So, skip natin to. Later ko na i-explore yung Mimo. So, mas maganda na mayroon na kayong Mimo app. Pero meron naman na kami yan. So, meron tayo dito mga shutter record for button. Ayan. Next is 5D. Oh, I see. That's why. Okay. It actually different from the old one. So, as you can see, yung kanyang controller or yung kanyang joystick dito, compare to the old one. Let me just show you guys. This is the old one, as you can see. And then, parang mas nakaangat or, yeah, mas nakaangat yung kay Pocket 4. So, ayan siya. Okay. And then, next is, let's slide it. How to slide it. Okay, so zoom, meron na din option to zoom like that. Ay, nawala siya. Nawala yung kayong tutorial. But anyways, ayan, you have an option to turn on the glamour effect. Meron tayong beautify. Oh my God. May beautify na din dito. Ooh. Okay. And then, my film tone. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga, mga Mariko. Let me see if, okay. So, yung film tone niya, let me just, so, this is what's this? CC film. Siyempre, nagpo-focus siya kay DJI, but this, ayan. CC film, ito. And then, we have NC film, we have pastel, warm tone, movie. Oh, we have a lot of different filters in here with our DJI Pocket Osmo 4. Alright. So, wait lang. Let's go back. Ayan. So, ito, siniset lang namin yung kanyang resolution. Wait, So, siniset lang namin siya sa 1080p with 30 FPS. Usually, yan lang talaga yung aming ginagamit with our DJI. Or, minsan kasi siniset namin siya into 60 FPS. So, you just have to drag up the screen and then ganyan mo lang siya. What else? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. One, two, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. So, compared to the old one, which is the Pocket, ang way mo to zoom in is, you just have to click this and then either drag mo yung controller if i-zoom in mo up and downwards if gusto mo i-zoom out. And then if babalik mo naman siya to make the gimbal work, like ganyan, pwede mo siyang igalaw-galaw. You just have to click this. Ayan, meron pa naman siya palang option, actually. Pero meron lang siyang parang shortcut button dito. And then this one, I'm not sure what this is, but just, okay. So, let's start. Okay, so meron tayo ditong panorama, photo, video, low light, slow motion, and time-lapse. This one is to record. Okay. So, single press, pwede kang mag-customize if gusto mong quick capture, gimbal-centered, rotate gimbal, or switch C1 to C2, photo and video if you want to switch it, and then enable, cut action. And then, meron tayong fill light dyan to an option. Ayan. Oh, I see. So, custom button. Alright. Ano pa ba ang bago sa kanya? Let's explore it more. So, open natin to. Ayan, dito may lalagay yung ating memory card. So, compared to the old one, wala pong takip yung lagayan niya na memory card. But this one, sobrang safe na hindi ka talaga mag-aalinlangan. Napapasok yung mga alikabok sa iyong DJI. So, that's it. Okay. So, ito naman yung kanyang fill light. You just have, ayan, meron tayong parang, ano dyan, okay. And then, so, harap natin siya. So, ayan siya. So, automatically mo siyang iilaw. Ayan, may pampalakas. You just have to click the button. Ayan lang. And then, if you want to, so may warm tayo. Meron tayo another button. Okay. And then, may way ka pa to yung brightness. So, that's good. So, akala ko talaga yung MagSafe na to or magnetic charging cable na to is for the DJI. Kasi parang ang unique yung tignan if by any chance na ganyan siya mag-charge. Pero, sinabi sa akin ni J-Vlog na this is for the microphone. Since wala na siyang USB port or anything, ganyan mo na i-charge itong si ating microphone. Ganda, no? Ganda ng kanyang microphone. And then, we also have two wind guard in here, just like that, cut action, just like that, and then, if tatanggalin mo to, for example, you just have to put this one back to lock the gimbal para then malalas yung movement niya for safety purposes na din. So, just like that. So, ganyan, something like that. Kakabit mo. Ito ay para sa ating gimbal to lock the gimbal para for safety na din. Kasi 'di ba, minsan kung saan-saan umiikot si gimbal natin or yung ating camera dito. So, for safety purposes, ayan. And napansin ko, iba na din yung texture niya ha. Compared to the old one, iba na yung texture niya. Mas embossed na yung kanyang design dito. As you can see, let me just show you guys. So, this is the Pocket 3 and this is the Pocket 4. So, see the difference? Ayan na silang dalawa. Side by side. Ayan, meron tayong Pocket 4 dito, pero dito is Pocket 3 yung nakalagay. And then, ayan, yung ating memory card. And then, sa left naman, ayan o. Iba yun yung texture niya. More on matte finish na. Ito yung Pocket 4 natin. That's it. Again, if you want to consider buying this DJI Pocket 4, ilalagay ko na lang yung link ko sa inyo mabibili to ng mura. Again, hurry up. Hanggang mura pa to at hanggang naka-pre-order sila. Mabilis lang silang i-ship if meron silang stocks. And mas mura nyo na po ito mabibili kasi napakabilis po nitong maubos lalong-lalo na pag alam nyo na wala ng pre-order, sobrang bilis lang po nga itong maubos. So, thank you so much for watching and see you ulit. Abangan nyo, ito na yung next na gagamitin natin for vlogging. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye!